welcome back to Fresh Hobby. In today's video, we'll talk about one more latest off-campus placement drive from Myntra. So in this video, we'll talk all the information that one should know before applying for this job. We'll discuss all the information related to the job role, about the location for this job, about the CTC they are providing, and the experience required, and also we'll talk about all the qualifications which are eligible for this job, and we'll further discuss the responsibilities of this job and the skills one must have for applying for the same. So we'll discuss all such information in detail one by one. So I request you all to not skip the video in between and watch the video till the end so that you can get a complete idea over this job. In this channel, you'll get all the latest updates regarding such interesting job roles. So I request you all to subscribe to the channel to get updated with these kind of job opportunities from various cities of India. I come up with these kind of new openings on a regular basis, so please don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get update about all the latest job openings. So let's move forward with the today's job opening, that is from Myntra. So very firstly we'll talk about Myntra. So Myntra is a Indian fashion e-commerce company which is headquartered in Bengaluru, and the company was founded in 2007 to sell personalized gift items. In May 2014, Myntra.com was acquired by Flipkart, and the parent organization of Myntra is Flipkart, and the current CEO is Amar Nagaram, and Myntra was founded in 2007. And I'll tell further the founders of Myntra. There are total 3 founders, that is Mukesh Bansal, Ashutosh Lavania and Vinit Saxena. So these are the 3 founders of Myntra. So further talking about the today's video, that is about Myntra. So Myntra is hiring for the position of associate trainee, and the category of the job will be IT software, that is e-commerce, and the location for the job will be Bangalore, and the salary will be 4 to 6 LPA, and the experience required for this job is 0 to 1 year. That is, even if you are a fresher or you have experience of around 1 year, so both are eligible for applying for the same. And the qualifications required for this job are like any undergraduate students and postgraduate students are eligible for the job. Degrees like BE, BTech are eligible, and also in ME, MTech, in post graduation are the degrees which are eligible for this job. And further talking about the responsibilities, so the very first responsibility is deliver, felicitate new hire training using the provided curriculum to newly hired customer service executives, and the second is survey and quality audits. Third is drive the implementation of new process changes. And the fourth one is provide documented and face-to-face feedback, conduct interviews for potential candidates and assess trainability to communication skills. And the next responsibility is actively participate in the trainer sessions as well as pilot sessions where applicable. And next is attend quality calibration sessions regularly. And next is participate in new hire and the next responsibility is participate in new hire process with corporations and HR, and partner with HR and OPS when initiating corrective actions. So these are all the responsibilities they will be giving once you are finally placed for this position, that is associate trainee. And further talking about the skills required for this job are like group presentation skills, ability to perform multiple tasks and adjust quickly in short time frames with limited direct supervision, and ability to create a team environment, strong communication, organizational, motivational and time management skills, ability to work flexible hours and shift, flexible to travel to vendor locations when required. And the next is proficiency in MS Excel, Word and PowerPoint, And next is training, delivery, felicitation and coaching experience. And the next skill required is customer service executive job knowledge. So these are all the skills they have mentioned here about the associate training position. So I'll give all this information in the description box of the video, and also I'll provide the link for the same for application of this job. So if you are willing to apply, just go to that link and click on that link. So after clicking there, you will be just redirected to the next official page, that is the Myntra careers page. So I'll also show you how one can apply for this job. So I'll provide the link for the official career page of the Myntra in the description box of the video. So please don't forget to check that link out. So after clicking on that link, I have already mentioned in the description box of the video. So we'll be just redirected to this official careers page of Myntra. So here they have just this page. So if you are willing to apply for this associate training job role, just click on the apply button here. After clicking here, you have to fill the name, your last name, your email, your phone number, your current location, and about your gender. And further you have to upload your CV and cover letter if you have. Cover letter is not mandatory, so please don't forget to upload your latest CV. It may be possible that they'll the very first round they'll go with is the shortlisting of CV. So please don't forget to upload your latest CV. And once you are done with filling all this information, just click on the submit button. Further, they'll just mail you all the further steps they'll conduct for this drive. So in this way we have seen all the information related to this job opening from Myntra, that is associate trainee. So I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel as I come up with these kind of videos on a regular basis. So please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.